Hello, loves. I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. Okay, everyone, so let's get started with the November cloth and paper unboxing. I did undo the tape, but that is as far as I got, so I don't know what's in here. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Like I said, this is cloth and paper unboxing. And inside of here, we have several things. This is what they normally list all their items inside the box on this nice little postcard, and then they tell you what's inside on the card here. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, everyone, so the first thing that we have here is the 30-day journal book, and I love their colors of their planner inserts and journaling books and things of that nature. Is very neutral. And this says mindful. It's a journaling book. It's 30 days. You take a few minutes each morning and you can fill out things in here. So you have record your day with ease using this 30-day journal. Start your day by setting positive expectations in it with thoughtful reflections. So you have the monthly expectations and reflection section. You have a morning expectations and evening expectations. And this is the monthly expectations. And it has, in the next 30 days, I will. My word of the month is because. Things I'm looking forward to. Things I want to learn. How can I make the most of this book? And what can I do to achieve my goals? And then for the morning, it says, this morning I'm feeling. My word of the day is because. Today I'm grateful for things that will help accomplish my goals. And in the evening it says, this evening I'm feeling. Today I accomplished. What can I improve on to make tomorrow better? And it goes on just like that through the pages. In the back it has the monthly reflection. In the last 30 days, 5 goals I've accomplished, things I've learned, my feelings and reactions to the past month, what can I do different next month, and how was this journal helpful? And then it has one blank page front and back. So this is a very nice journal. I'm not a journaling person, but I know someone who would love to have this. So I'm thinking I may give this away as a gift. So we come to the first insert, and this is a insert on your mental wellness. To keep track of your inner wellness, these inserts allow you to keep your daily affirmations, mindful intentions, and free thoughts all in one place. And we're going to take a look at this. And now I'm thinking there's about 15 sheets in here, maybe more, maybe 20 sheets, but it's look like it's well over a month if it's front and back. Yes, it is. So I'm thinking you got a month worth here. So right at the top it says focus, and then this is your positive affirmations, mindful intentions, and free thoughts down at the bottom, and it has a place where you can put your date. So like I said, it's front and back, and you have a good month's worth of this. And I think this is a great insert to use along with your planner that you already have. If you don't have a cloth and paper planner, you just take a sheet of this and add it to the planner that you are using. Next, the 2021 dated horizontal weekly inserts for November to help you prep for the rest of the year. So when you open it up to the first week, you have a Monday through Friday on the first page of November, and Saturday, Sunday on the next page. Down at the bottom, you have priorities. You can put your memo here, and things that you want to do for the following week. And then you have the month of November in the corner. And each page is just like this. There's 4 weeks. This is the second week of November, the third week of November, fourth week, and lastly you have the 5th week that leads you into December the 5th. So I like this layout, I really do, and I think this makes a great change if you want to change up your horizontal layout. I love cloth and paper dashboards because they're so neutral. I do like some color too, but I love this because each of their dashboards always have a meaningful statement or some sort of quote. And the first one we have is believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. That's by Roy T. Bennett. And then it goes on into more motivational words by different people. Encouragement. On the back, it has this beautiful neutral black and white and gray graph here. I love this. This is so nice. And then down at the bottom says belief precedes success. Very nice. I love it that it has my initial here. When you first get into the monthly subscription for Cloth and Paper, they ask you all kinds of questions about what kind of initial do you like, your complete name, different questions like that, so they can make things special on your inserts. Like for this is the first initial for my name, and I really like that, those little special touches. Here we have another dashboard that says purpose. Now I like this because it matches this dashboard. I think it makes a nice little beautiful set. I really do like their sticker notes. I think they're so clever, very useful. This one is the Have Sticky Notes Mood Tracker. Now some pages of a planner has those mood trackers in there, or they have inserts with the mood tracker on it, but this is a great idea if you want to put this sticker on other pages that you want to monitor, or you want to create your own page. The first sticker, it says today's mood, and then it divides up to today, and it says happy, calm, okay, tired, sad, and angry, and then you have notes down at the bottom where you can explain the reason for your mood. The next one is the mood tracker. And it has a key section where you can color code it and add those color codes to each one of the days of the week here. It is from Sunday to Saturday, and each color code may represent a mood. So red may be angry, blue may be happy, or green may be calm, or what have you. But I think this is such a nice little way to do that. So these are the journaling cards. And it says, take a break. So here it says, I can be, and then and still. So it has, I can be strong, independent, grieving, direct, a leader, understanding, creative, a listener. And then it says, and still be soft, need support, find joy, be kind, need guidance, have boundaries, need inspiration, have a voice. Just here's where you could probably can see it. I put the card on the back so you can see what it looks like. I think that is so nice. We have a little monthly clip here that you could put inside your cover, and this is the monthly calendar that you can slide inside your cover. Is our reflection dashboard set. So this is different. So this one says reflection journaling prompts. This is monthly number 1. How do you feel about this past month? Reflect on highs and lows and how you grew from them. Number 2, list a few notable events that happened this month and your reactions to them. Are you satisfied with how you reacted? I think this is so nice. Very nice little things that you can place inside your planner. So this is your monthly, and you have 5, and then here's your weekly, and you have 5. And here's your daily, and it's 5 of those. Nothing on the back, so you just snap them in your planner wherever it's designated, in front of the week, and this one goes in front of the month. And if you have a daily sheet that you use in your planner, this can go in front of that. I think this is cute. Thank you for joining me for another exciting planning episode. Hope to see you next time. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, and keep planning. See you soon. Bye-bye.